Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching. And if you make it to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, so I'm doing this off my phone for right now. I got all my cameras, they're charging up on different parts of the house. So I'm going to make a quick video to get back in the rhythm of doing these videos again. Like I said, sorry, I've been real busy doing other stuff, and I'm going to do a real quick video of a new toy I got. It's a Ford John Deere 410D. Yeah, John Deere 410D. So I hope you like the video. It's going to be a short one, just to put it up so I can get back in the rhythm of doing these videos again. Like I said, I've been real busy. I know I ain't made a video in a long time. You guys are starting to leave the comments down. Where you at? Why you ain't making videos and all that. So yeah, I want to start again. I just been way busy. You guys know how it is. So here's the video, and I hope you like it.